good afternoon, Brother Conrad.
Dati namin tatay, ilayasan kami.
So CFC FFL started in Manila in 1981 with the 16 couples. And after that, it grows and expanded to different countries around the world. And CFC FFL is composed of, we call it from womb to tomb ministry. Why? Because we have for the kids from 3 years old until 12 years old, we have the Kids for Christ. So in the Kids for Christ, we are teaching our children about God, their relationship with God, and how they will honor their parents. And then from 13 to 21, we have the YFL, or Youth for Family and Life. So previously, like what Brother Tim said, we were the coordinators for YFL. And that is a very interesting life of us to share our service with the YFL. Because they were the future of our communities. They were the future of what we want in our life, of what we want to them. And then we have the couples for Christ, the husband and wife, which eventually 3 of you will graduate today as couples for Christ. And we have the handmaid of the Lord. Good afternoon, handmaids of the Lord. So those are the sisters whose husband is not here. So they are handmaid of the Lord. And we have also servants of the Lord, brothers whose wife is not here. So we have the servants of the Lord. So from womb to tomb means
Singles.
and there is the singles. Yes, definitely there is the singles. So after when kids here reach after 23, they don't want to be called youth anymore.